Alright. This is the elevator here at JCPenney at White Marsh Mall in Baltimore, Maryland. A Westinghouse and a JCPenney, that's quite rare. Alright, let's listen.
LL.
LL.
Doesn't light up, of course.
Just like JCPenney at Montgomery Mall, where the LL button never lit up.
Yep.
Door does not close when you push the button.
But at least we got it to ourselves both ways.
There's no indicator or lantern.
Yep.
Just your basic JCPenney elevator. Here's Nick and Gabe.
It's got hazard tape right there.
Yeah, I'm not sure why that is.
Maybe it's like to
Send
mind
it
the
up.
gap. They have to tell people to mind the gap.
I don't know where the machine room is.
Still a nice elevator.
Yep, very nice elevator. Look at this, it's a Westinghouse AE button, and it's red too.
Okay, Dante.
Alright, and that's it.